Leetcode daily challenge 3010. Divide an array into subarrays with minimum cost. Number 1. This is an easy problem. We are asked to find out the minimum possible cost. Say if we split this array into 3 sections, and there's a requirement of there must be a first element, so we put number 0 here in this first subarray. Then if we can find out the two smallest number in this array, say 2 and 3, and put 2 here and 3 here, then the cost here will be number 0, the cost here will be number 2, the cost here will be number 3, and the summation of these three numbers will be the final result. So the first step, we split the array. The second step, we pick up the smallest two numbers, then return the summation. That will be the solution for this problem.